Welcome back to our channel, Little Chefs. In today's video, we will be making chocolate cake. Let's get started. The ingredients needed for this recipe are 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup caster sugar, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup oil, 1/2 cup milk, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. In a mixing bowl, add 2 eggs, and 1 cup caster sugar. And beat well. After beating it well, add 1/2 cup oil. Half teaspoon vanilla extract. Now beat well. Now add 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 cup milk, Now your cake batter is ready. Take any pan of your choice and grease it well with 1 teaspoon oil. Pour the cake batter into the pan. Bake the cake on 350 degrees for 35 minutes. After taking the cake out of the oven, let it completely cool. Take the cake out on a plate and decorate it with any frosting of your choice. Enjoy! Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.